Welcome to Guru Nanak Public School, Model Town Extension, Ludhiana. Class 2 students, today we will discuss chapter 3, Operating a Computer. So everyone open your book at page number 22, chapter number 3. Students, in the previous chapters we have learned about the parts and functions of a computer. Let us discuss, learn how to use a computer. Today's chapter is Operating a Computer. Students, in the previous chapter we have learned about the parts and functions of a computer. Now let us learn how to use a computer. To start a computer, follow these steps. Switch on the main power supply button. Switch on the UPS button. Switch on the power supply button of the CPU. Switch on the monitor button and wait for some time. You will find a welcome screen of Windows. Now student, your system is in working condition. Students, you will enjoy using Windows as it is a very easy to use. Windows is the most popular program that makes the computer work. Once a computer is switched on, the first display screen that you get is known as the desktop. This is your desktop screen. The desktop holds many small pictures known as icons. All these are different icons. This one is a desktop, taskbar, start button, icons. Students, can you see only one thing when you look through your bedroom window? No, you can see different things from your window. In the same way, you can open and view many programs in Windows like Paint, movies, music and games. Starting a program. To open the WordPad program, follow these steps given below. Click on Start All Programs, Accessories, WordPad. The WordPad window will be displayed. Title bar, the topmost blue bar of the WordPad window is known as the title bar. Resizing a window. You can change the size of a window. Look at the control button at the top right corner of the title bar. These are your control buttons. Minimize, restore and maximize button. Click on the middle button, that is your restore down. The WordPad window will become smaller in size. Click again on the middle button to get back on its normal size. Moving the window. Click on the middle button, restore down. The window will become smaller in size. Click and hold the left mouse button on the title bar. Drag the WordPad window on the right side of the screen. Now move the pointer over the desktop screen and click once here. Then title bar of the WordPad window turns grey. This means that it is not active, but you can read the items in the WordPad. Now click once on the WordPad working area again. The title bar turns blue. It means the WordPad window is active. How to shut down a computer? After your work is finished, you should always shut down the computer. Click on the Start button. Click on the Shutdown option. Now wait for some time till the computer turns off automatically. Computer is turning off. Then switch off the monitor button. Switch off the UPS and main power supply button too. This is your main power supply. Switching off the main power supply button directly without shutting down the CPU can harm the computer. Now students, here your chapter operating a computer finish. Revise the back exercise of the chapter and we will meet again. Thanks.